Hi. Before we start this, I just want to say I'm very, very sorry.
Hi. I can't do this. No, I can't. Welcome. Today, we are, for my Fright Fest video, we are going to make Halloween cookies.
And also be burning my house down.
And I'm going to teach you. Yeah.
The amount of times I lost my train of thought in this video is very concerning.
What was I gonna do? Oh, let's get into the video. So, things you will need. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'm also decorating these cookies too. I'll stand right here, and then the ingredients would be somewhere around here. The first thing, mix butter and sugar together. We need 1/3 a cup and 1 tablespoon.
Also, don't mind my trash can. Anytime you walk past it, it opens up because it has like that motion detector thing. I don't know. Not that you care, but okay.
We have the margarine. And then we need 1/3 cup and a tablespoon of sugar. Now I have to mix them. Add egg yolk, and vanilla. Wait, so the egg yolk's the yellow part. I don't know how to do this without the egg, which is just the egg yolk. So we're putting in the entire egg. And then we need a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. So we're finished mixing, and now it says add flour, baking soda, and salt. 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. So 3/4 a cup and 1 tablespoon.
Hi, sorry. Don't mind me. But I just want to say, I forgot an entire ingredient. And you're supposed to put 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And I just realized this while I'm editing that I just didn't put it in at all. So, yeah. Continue watching.
Alright, I don't feel like mixing anymore, so I'm just gonna use my hands. Here's our dough.
Here's a time lapse of me putting the cookies on the cookie sheet and then putting them in the oven because nobody needs to hear me anymore.
The cookies are finished. Let me show you.
Why do they raise like that? Like, they're not flat. Like, this one's flat.
Oh, this is my perfect time to promote Kappa MDTV. You all should subscribe. So I finished all the cookies. I'll make a montage. Insert that now, I guess. I think right now we should do a taste test. Okay, now let's taste test it. It's not bad. I mean, is it Gordon Ramsay approved? Not even close. This video is kind of all over the place. And so, yeah, I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye.